Hello everybody, I am popping on today to create a layout with you for the scrap room. I am lucky enough to be on the design team and I am designing with the DoubleShot kits. So let me show you the kit I am working with. First of all, it is by Fancy Pants Cozy Christmas, and I did have a very thorough haul on these goodies, but haul, share, unboxing on these goodies. So I will quickly go through. I have two pieces. I believe this is called walnut cream. I have two pieces of walnut cream by Basil. It is a smooth, kind of a bone colored cardstock. I have a piece of maraschino, which is an amazing Christmas red color. It's actually, what I call crayon red. It is just red, which I love. I have this gorgeous piece here. It is called Under the Mistletoe. Love the florals. Love it. And an absolute perfect houndstooth. The next piece is called Plaid Tidings because it's rather plaid. And the backside looks just like corduroy. I can't stand it. It is so cool. It's like the best photorealistic corduroy ever. So awesome. And then there's a buffalo plaid called Checking It Twice. Buffalo plaid on this side. And it looks like a cute little sweater kind of deal on this side. I've got tinsel, which is so cool to get in a kit. I have got a nice little assortment, I'll put them right over here, of die cuts, including this cute Christmas tree and ornaments. So I want to decorate my tree with them. I've got a present, I've got florals, a snow globe, cute little mittens. And I also have enamel dots as well as these little wood and enamel buttons. So I have lots of stuff to play with. I already know that this is my title because it is large and rather gorgeous. Got a bit of a hinker to hit this title with some glossy accents. So I better get that out. I mean, I haven't used it in forever and a day, so we all know it's going to be stopped up, right? But I do have a bit of a hinker to get some shine on that, which will mimic the nice little shine that's on my wood buttons. So pulled that out for now. Great. Now, let me show you my photo. This is my photo. This is my hand. This is my youngest daughter's hand. And I was working rather hard on my day job, we'll call it. And my daughter brought me a coffee because they have my peppermint mochas, and that is my favorite drink. So that was kind, thoughtful, and wonderful. And this is just the same photo turned black and white. Why? I don't know. I just felt like it. Okay, I have that. And now I am going to use the December Jump Start sketch right here as part of the scrap room. So we've got a really prominent banner. We've got a background. And when I'm looking at that background, it reminds me of the corduroy in our kit. So I think I'll go that way. Nice big circle, rectangle bit, another piece of paper, pattern or otherwise, and a piece coming off this way, which chances are, I'll turn that into a fishtail banner. Oops. Sorry about that. I'll turn it into a fishtail banner because I already have one. I'm not sure yet, but I might. And embellishment clusters and title. Love it. Perfect sketch. Thank you so much, Lisa. That will be a fun one to play along with. I love sketches. Sketches are my favorite jumping off point. And then maybe recipes and scrap lift. I don't know. I love all of the challenge kind of things that we get to play with. So I am going to trim out my photos. Now, our sketch has 3. I have 2. We'll work it out. It'll be fine. It'll look great. So I'm going to do that. I do think that, I love this plaid, by the way. I think I want to use this for my background because it really looked like the sketch, the lines were running this way. So let's just get that trimmed out and ready. And I'm going to cut my pieces to work with the sketch. Like I said, I have to trim this tiny bit more. I have to trim out my photos, get them matted, yada, yada, yada. So I have a little bit of housekeeping to do, and I'll be back in a jiffy. Okay, so I have my pieces cut, and I do think I'm gonna scuff up my edges to have just a little bit of extra like white core showing through. And you know, I love the distressed thing. So I'm gonna scuff up all the edges and then attach everything down. But if you take a look at this and you take a look at our handy dandy sketch, you see that, yeah, it pretty much is looking like it. And I think it is awesome. I love all the patterns with patterns. I think it is super just fun. Now I will go ahead when the time comes. I'll put my title there. I have a cluster to put here, and I think that cluster will be my gorgeous Christmas tree. Now remember, this sketch has 3 photos. So where the 3rd photo would go, I'm going to have that tree and I'm going to decorate it all up. I'm rather excited about it. Ooh, and I still have my tinsel. So I'm going to have that run along the bottom of this red and black plaid right here. I think, oh, it is so fun. It is so fun, and it's bright and it's holiday and festive. So let me see where, yeah, and I'll just go ahead and attach that with a tiny attacher. Will probably be my best bet for that. Okay, fine. Fun, fun, fun. So I'm going to work on getting these things down. Now remember, I did say that I wanted to put my Christmas ornaments on my tree, and I have 3. Let's see how this star looks on. I'll probably pop that up as the Christmas star. Fun. And then we'll see what other goodies we can get on. Now remember, as part of my ornaments, I also have these bits, and I have enamel dots. So this will be fun to decorate when we come back. So I have everything down, and as things go, I am loving this layout, and I love to get the base down, right? So the base is on, but my very favorite, I don't know, is there a very, I like the steps. So I don't know if I have a very favorite point. I like to get inspiration. Then I have my base layout is totally done. It's fun. I have all the patterns because we all know I love pattern with pattern. And then we get to do the decorating. Let me tell you that this tinsel, good stuff right here, totally makes the layout just pop. Which makes me also think I should use some gold mist on this at the end. I'm looking to see what I have here. Okay, I have that on my desk now. All right, and I did use my tiny attacher to go ahead and attach my tinsel down. Great. So I have my tree here, and I decided to leave my tree flat on my background. My photo is popped up on a little bit of foam, just like, you know, like cheap kids craft foam. And what I want to do is go ahead and pop my embellishments up on my little tree. So let's see. I want to give each of them just a little bit of a scuff, and I'll be popping them on. Let's see what all we have. They're so cute. I like this one here. Maybe this little ornament down here. And oh, and then there's this really cute one here. Now the question is, should I put any there? No, let's see. Got this cute set of mittens because I'm supposed to have an embellishment cluster here and one here. So I kind of have things just going right around my photo. Maybe that there. I've got a pine cone that would be really cute in that cluster. Oh gosh, am I going to be able to use this? I don't know about that one. I've got this beautiful baby blue. Ooh, guys, I like the floral to start this cluster up here. Okay, that is bringing the green over, which makes me happy. I can have my little mittens. I don't know if I don't know. I do know I want this little cluster to happen right over here. Maybe it needs to go on top. There we go, there we go, there we go. I've got a pine cone. I do know I'm gonna get those mittens in. Okay, like it like that. That is awesome. I can have this bit. Guys, I have almost all of my goodies are getting on this one layout. Okay, let me stick all this down. We'll come back and we'll use our wood buttons, our enamel dots, and a little bit of splatty bits, and we will call this done. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, let's finish this up. I have all those pieces are down like we talked about. I have my snow globe here. I put that 3rd ornament down here because it looked just a little too chonky for my tree. I've got all these pieces layered up here, but you know what I think I want to do? I think I want to add a tiny bit of dimensional adhesive behind one of them. And these are just foam strips. They are from Amazon. and you just type in thin foam strips and they have some great ones on there. Okay, so I thought I wanted to come in here and make sure I get just a little bit of shadow off of this cluster right here. Awesome. I have my little mittens, so cute. Now let's go in with the big heavy things first. Oh, and the only piece I'm not using from die cuts is this gift because I don't have any of the other light blue here right now. And I still have a piece of this. So I'll have a couple of things to use when I use this collection again, which is awesome and fun. It also is just enough to do a little Christmas card. I should think about doing that. All right, so let's see. I can put this one here. I didn't want to use this one with the sweater because the colors are too similar right there. I'll put this one up here, which will help anchor down my cute little pine cone. It was slipping a little bit. Now let's go ahead and add a few ornaments on here. Let's see, maybe 1, 2, and the yellow's too close to the yellow. I know, it really doesn't matter, but I like that kind of stuff. Maybe down here. So they have 3. So I have one of these little guys left over as well. Not a big deal. And just a couple. I have a cute little assortment there. And I can also use that stuff on any other Christmas layouts I come up with as well. So then to these clusters, ooh, I didn't use one here, but I don't like to use 4s. Okay, to my little clusters, let's go ahead and add just a couple of enamel dots. So it's like 1, 2, 3. We'll do the same thing down here. 1, 2, 3. That is fun. And then going to use them up, but it's like it really doesn't need anything. So I'm going to just go ahead and do, maybe, let me make them look more ornamenty, because, you know, that's a word. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Ooh, I can put the ornament on the ornament, because then we know the placement's about right. I don't know. I don't think it really matters. Okay, I have those pieces on. The last thing, not the last, second to the last thing, I'm gonna come in with a little bit of gold mist. Easy peasy. Oh, and I used all of my enamel dots that came with mine. Now, you guys know how there's gonna be an assortment. So just because I have the green ones doesn't mean you will. They're split up between a number of subbies. You don't even have to be a subby with this. It's like a no commitment kit club, which makes it super fun. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cover my photo a little bit with the baggie that came with my kit. And I'm going to hit a couple of the clusters with some gold mist because I have this really strong gold sparkly bits and I want it to all look cohesive. I mean, I love contrast, but I like it to look like I'm meaning to do whatever I'm doing with my contrast as well. Get a couple more in right there. Ooh, that's a really big splatty bit. That's a good one. I think I can move this now. Some down in here. And just a little bit over here. And what I'm gonna do when all of these splatty bits dry is I'm gonna come in with my glossy accents and gloss up the word Christmas because I think it will add just a little bit more zhuzh to the whole thing. And I will then call this one done. I don't want to do it right now because I know I'm going to smear my splatty bits. But here is my layout done using this gorgeous December Jump Start sketch by Lisa. She created it, and you can find the sketch on both the blog as well as the Facebook group. All right, that's it for now, friends. I will have links down below for the ScrapRoom blog, Facebook group, as well as the website. Bye for now.